everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's look, I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye with one eyeliner and a little bit of glitter. I'm also going to do a couple of different lip looks, one that's a little bit more neutral, and then this look that is a little bit more amped up with a red lip. This look is inspired by Miley Cyrus. I'm embarrassed that I haven't been a bigger fan of Miley Cyrus. I think she is absolutely an amazing talent, an advocate for LGBTQIA+, and she also has really beautiful dynamic makeup. So this is a look inspired by the Midnight Sky video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, sorry for all the traffic. So I am taking Psychedelic Sister from Urban Decay 24/7. This is a waterproof liner and it's a beautiful like metallic purple. I'm going underneath the eye area. I'm giving a pretty generous line. And I'm gonna pull that out and I'm gonna sharpen this because it's cutting me. I'm gonna pull that out to like a triangle. You wanna make sure you're doing a similar direction on both eyes. Then I'm gonna take a brush, this is from Prados Beauty. And this is a firm but still fluffy brush, so it moves the product around really nicely. But I'm doing this first before I continue on with the eye because this is a waterproof product and you don't want it to set too quickly. You want to smoke that out before it sets. And you just keep building up the color until you get it to the opacity that you want it. And then you keep going back in with the brush and blend it. I'm not putting it on my lid, I'm just blending it a little bit so that it fades into the skin. Now, I'm just gonna draw that crease in. I do it a little bit higher than my actual crease so that when I blend it, I get that full crease. Then you go back in and just make it a little bit more intense where that crease is. And then just lightly blend it. You want to keep that crease a little bit more intense. Same pencil, you're just going to draw that line really close to the lashes. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be a little bit of like a winged liner right along the lash line. And then on the inner membrane. There you go. All done with one liner. For the glitter, I'm taking Midnight Cowboy. This is from Urban Decay as well. It's like a liquid liner. And I'm just applying it to where the skin is left open on the lid. Doesn't have to be perfect. This isn't a perfect smoky eye. And I take a little bit on that inner corner too, so it catches the light. And you just add as much as you like. Mascara, still Superhero by It Cosmetics. Lit up the top and the bottom. That's pretty much it for the eye. So for the lip, I'm gonna do two lips. One just like a nude for every day. So I'm going in with Juvia's Place, So Rare. And the same as I always do, I just overline a little bit and smudge it with my finger and the Cupid's bow. Just a little bit in the center here. In the outer corners. This color is Moon by Maybelline. It's a really pretty lighter pink, but not too light, so it doesn't white out the lip. It's got a slight pearl to it. So that's the look that you can do for every day. This is what I would wear for every day. Not everybody is like me, but that's what I would do. And for just amping it up a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a red lip. So Cherry Liner by MAC Cosmetics. I'm gonna do this a little bit more precise. Still keeping it a little bit more overdrawn in the cupid's bow and in that center part right here. This color is called Dynamo by Black Opal. Smell isn't great, but I can get over the smell because that is a beautiful red lip. I find if you don't go completely over the lip line, it won't bleed. So just keeping the actual gloss closer on the inner part of the lip and then just leaving the lip line a little bit more matte. So there you have it. A couple different looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comments section down below. All the products are also linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.